The biggest effort we're seeing from companies, and inevitably we'll be talking about this, is in dealing with returns and reverse logistics. In a world where 30% of outbound e-com orders come back to the customer, dealing with that, satisfying the next consumer with that product locally is absolutely invaluable. It helps to drive up their margins, it helps to reduce the need for over-manufacture, and it satisfies the next consumer very rapidly. So that's what we're seeing is a tremendous push and tremendous growth in reverse logistics. At the moment, we're dealing with hundreds of millions of returns per year across our business. Even here in the UK, 1 to 2 million return products per week, which is 5 to 10 times the size of the next largest returns capability here in the UK. It's tremendous explosive growth. Our customers are looking for a high velocity, efficient, predictable solution to really help other parts of their business. And that's where the increasing amounts of automation being, if you like, put in proof point by a digital twin allows us to really help drive a return on investment, perhaps well beyond their initial expectations from this. That's both dropping the operating cost per unit, it's driving up the accuracy. We've one of our flagship sites, which does employ a lot of digital twin technology, last month had a 99.99999% precision ratio. So no returns, absolutely everything going out absolutely exact, and that saved the customer about 30 million returned units per year relative to when they were doing it in-house. So we operate 1,000 sites across 27 different countries. We've got hundreds of highly automated activities. Let me give you one example. We have one site in the US that dealt with 15 million units of consumer electronics being returned. If you look across the industry average, 20% of those returns are resold. So 80% go into landfill. Last year, we helped the customer sell 96% of those returned products. That's 1 billion kilos of manufactured equivalent of CO2 avoided. So to answer your question, is it worth undertaking this effort in terms of having a much more sustainable element of logistics within the supply chain? Yes, because we can have a dramatically outsized impact by reducing the need for manufacture by dealing with a returned product. And it's not just in consumer electronics, we do the same across fashion, increasing the life of those pre-loved products and also utilizing that inventory for the next consumer. And we've taken, for one of our UK customers here, the profitable resale value of a return. When they were doing it themselves, it was about £30. Today it's around £7. So really driving up the percentage of their SKU range that we can help them convert back into profits. An awful lot of our customers and an awful lot of returns are heavily discounted purely because they miss season. There's a product refresh. So focusing on the speed and ability to get that back into stock is really important. I mean, if you can reduce the receipt to making available, we do it for an awful lot of customers in 24 hours or less, relative to previously they were doing it in-house for 2 months. They've missed their season. I mean, a number of these customers will have 12 product refreshes per year. When it's not the latest product, it's being sold at a very sharp discount. So that's what also helps to drive up that, if you like, effective resale rate.